I'm Dr. Sudipta De Sarkar. So I'm the Dean at the School of Law in charge for industry engagements, student affairs and admissions. So when it comes to placements, which generally happens in the 5th year, we do not just rely for a student to take that choice in the 5th year itself. So it's a curated process. When the student is in the 1st year, we orient and counsel them about the available career options, which is viable for a 1st year student, and we encourage them to intern in those kind of organizations. In the 2nd year, as their studies progress, as they cover new subjects, we advise them, counsel them to take up internships in those organizations which is on their additional subjects. Once they're in 3rd year, we have a formal orientation and counseling session one-on-one, where we understand the students' career inclinations, their requirements, their challenges, so we can tailor-make and advise them on an individualized basis. After which, in the 4th year, we strongly streamline them into the dedicated areas and career choices. And the 5th year is that when we invite firms and companies and organizations to come and visit our students in campus or take our students for assessment internships, so that actually it converts into a final opportunity for the students.